Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix fingerprint problem at OPPO. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to fix fingerprint problem at OPPO. So sometimes the fingerprint, sometimes when you click the fingerprint here, this you click like this also, the password wouldn't be unlocked. So it is due because of your hands must be dirty, or there'll be some dust in your hand that the password wouldn't match. So if it happens, so first we will, on the setting, we will create a new fingerprint password, and then we will click here fingerprint. We click password, type of password, then we will if you already have a fingerprint, then just remove that fingerprint and then add a new one. Then after that you click cancel. Click okay. Here you have to click here, this click it hard. So now click to create a new fingerprint password. You have to click it, show you to click, so you have to click it, and here click it like that. Click on the sensor, and then here click continue. Then you have to click again, click on the sensor. This is the sensor, click it here like this. And then continue. And then now the fingerprint has been created, a new one. So like this, just off it, then click. Now look, the fingerprint has been added, a new one. So you only like this, just click on the sensor. Now the phone is unlocked. So if the fingerprint has a problem, it is just like I told you, it is due to your hand, that it must be dirty, or it must be we have some dust. So just create a new one and then use it. So this is it guys, of how to fix fingerprint problem in OPPO. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like it.